Hello! It has been quite a long time. These are my little soap bacon pieces I have already made out of soap dough. They are super cute. They do not smell like bacon. I'm so sorry. Every bacon fragrance I have found, just it doesn't work in soap. It doesn't work. It curdles and just it's awful. So I'm gonna take some white base over here. We are going to make some little eggs to match with these bacon pieces because what says fun soap more than eggs and bacon, right? Ron Swanson would love these, although he'd also be mad that it's not real food. So maybe it's good that he isn't seeing these. So I have broken these up into 8 equal little pieces of white, and we are going to just move them off to the side and start smushing them out. And basically, you just want to make a little like pancake type shape. uh, these are super easy to do, super cute, super fun. Um, and then we're going to just do that to all of these. And then we'll get into the yolks from there, which is also super easy and fun. If you're a beginning soap maker, honestly, these is like one of the easiest things you can do. But it comes out so cute, and then you have these amazing soaps and just fun, you know? You gotta have fun with it. If you're not making something that you like or that makes you feel happy and warm inside, then maybe you're doing the wrong thing. So here's my yellow. We're gonna just, again, roll it on up, get it into equal little parts. And for that, what I do is I just roll it out into a little line, not too big, and then from there I cut it in half, and then I cut that half in half, and then that half in half, because you want them somewhat even, right? We don't want one giant egg and then a bunch of tiny ones. That's silly. So super fun, super quick. Here we are cutting them. I love it. And you're just gonna roll them into like little balls, little, a little circular shape. And so from there, we're just gonna put the little yolks on top of the egg white, and you'll have a super adorable soap. Now you might be asking yourself, hey Tegan, why would you want to make these? What made you think to make eggs and bacon? Well, I'll tell you what. I was making some candy canes for an upcoming winter soap because every winter I have to do a candy cane soap. The smell of peppermint in soap is so delightful. And here's my little egg and bacon. Oh, they're so cute. So I had all these leftover scraps from making the candy canes. And, well, when you have leftovers, you gotta use them. Waste not, want not. Not gonna throw away soap. So I melded them together, rolled them out, and said, you know what? This looks like bacon. I'm going to make bacon and eggs. And that's how that happened. And yes, I have Halloween themed nails. We all know I'm the spooky soaper, okay? I can't help it. It'll be Christmas Day and I will have spooky themed nails. It's just gonna happen. So, here we're just pumping them out, getting them all made. It's so fun. I had so much fun making these. I love making soap. And if you guys haven't been over to my TikTok, I highly suggest checking that out because you don't have to listen to long, arduous periods of me talking. You can have quick little snippets if that's what you prefer. And there will be things you'll see here that you won't see there, and things you'll see there that you won't see here. And that's part of the fun of social media. Sometimes it's nice to do a longer video. I finally invested in a nice camera, a really nice camera, so that I can do these again. Because if you look at all of my old videos, uh, yeah, the camera quality is so bad. But I only had my phone, and it wasn't a great phone. And you know what? I tried. Props for trying, right? Yeah. So these are going to be going on a soap that I'm not sure if I'll make it here or over on TikTok. Let me know in the comments. Do you want a long version video on here where we talk, or would you like one on TikTok that's just a rapid, here we go? Let me know. So here's all the little eggs. Oh my gosh, such fun. Follow over on social medias to keep posted on everything. Instagram and TikTok are where I post the most often, but I'm gonna be doing more here. Can't wait. See you soon!